When it comes to luxury cars, reliability can often feel like a guessing game. Many assume that luxury equals constant repairs, but that's not always the case. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car in top condition, and certain luxury models stand out for their durability. In this video, I'll break down 5 luxury cars that offer the best of both worlds, performance and reliability. Let's dive in. The B58 is one of BMW's best inline-six engines built for longevity. Unlike older turbo engines that had reliability issues, the B58 is smooth, durable, and even powers the Toyota Supra, proof that Toyota trusts it. The 440i's 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six that churns out 322 horsepower and 330 foot-pounds of torque. That's enough to rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.2 seconds. This thing moves. The B58 is known for being a smooth operator, delivering a balance of power and efficiency, while also being one of BMW's most reliable engines in recent years. It's part of BMW's new generation engines, which means fewer issues and greater longevity, unlike some of their older motors. Plus, it's a lot of fun to drive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty back roads, the B58 provides that perfect mix of power and refinement. The handling? Absolutely on point. With the available adaptive M suspension, the 440i offers a smooth ride while maintaining that tight, responsive feel that makes BMW so fun to drive. The car doesn't just glide, it's agile and confident, giving you that signature BMW driving experience, but without the harshness that can come with some performance cars. Inside, the BMW 440i is just as luxurious as you'd expect. Leather upholstery, a Harman Kardon sound system, and the iDrive system are all there to elevate the experience. The cabin is quiet, refined, and just screams premium every time you settle in behind the wheel. But here's the thing, reliability. BMWs have a reputation, and while their performance is fantastic, they're often known for expensive maintenance. The 440i, however, is surprisingly solid thanks to the B58 engine's proven durability. It's not completely immune to issues, but with routine maintenance, you're looking at a car that can last. Just stay on top of things like the cooling system and the occasional oil leak. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car of its caliber. The Mercedes-Benz C63, specifically the W205 and C205 generation. This isn't just any luxury car, it's a German masterpiece that blends power, style, and performance into every inch of its design. If you've ever dreamed of driving a car that makes your daily commute feel like a racetrack and turns heads at every stoplight, this is the one. Introduced in 2014, the C63 quickly became a sensation in the high-performance sedan world. Under the hood, it boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a remarkable 503 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. In simpler terms, this car can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a rocket with a Mercedes badge. The 7-speed automatic transmission shifts with lightning speed, offering a thrilling and precise driving experience. Despite its jaw-dropping performance, the C63 isn't a high-maintenance diva like some competitors. Mercedes has ensured it's a reliable machine. While regular checks on the brakes and tires are necessary, the C63 does a better job staying out of the shop compared to other cars with similar power. It's not all about power though. The rear-wheel drive setup and adaptive suspension allow the C63 to hug corners with precision, while still offering a comfortable ride when cruising. Inside, the C63 continues to impress. Premium leather, a tech-loaded infotainment system, and a comfortable, intuitive design create a luxurious driving experience. The seats embrace you, the steering wheel feels like an extension of your hands, and the exhaust note is a symphony every time you push the pedal. Reliability-wise, the C63 isn't perfect, nothing is. But in terms of performance cars, it's up there. It's not plagued by constant issues that some luxury sports sedans are known for, and the engine is tough, the transmission is strong, and the car as a whole can take a beating without begging for repairs. It's built to last. The Audi A6, the unsung hero in the luxury sedan world. We all know the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class dominate the conversation, but the A6, it's been quietly doing its thing, offering style, comfort, and performance without the same amount of hype. Let's rewind a bit. The A6, particularly from the 2012 to 2018 model years, gives you everything you'd expect from Audi. Refined looks, tech-filled interiors, and of course, a smooth drive. But here's the kicker, it's reliable. And when we talk about luxury sedans, reliability isn't always the first word that comes to mind, right? Under the hood, you're typically looking at a range of engines, but the sweet spot is the 3.0-liter V6, available in the TFSI and TDI models. For those who appreciate a little more power, the V6 hits 333 horsepower and 325 foot-pounds of torque. That'll get you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds. Fast enough to put a smile on your face, but not so fast that you're looking for a new pair of pants after a heavy acceleration. Now, let's talk handling. The Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system keeps you planted on the road whether you're cruising in the city or tackling the winding back roads. It's not a sports car, but it's got enough agility to make you feel like you're driving something special. What about reliability? The A6 isn't a time bomb of issues like some other luxury sedans can be. Regular maintenance, and you're looking at a vehicle that'll serve you well for many years. No drama. Audi's build quality has always been impressive, and this one's no different. If you're on the hunt for a luxury car that combines power, comfort, and a reputation for longevity, the Audi A6 from the 2012 to 2018 range should definitely be on your radar. The Porsche 911 Carrera is one of the most iconic vehicles to ever grace the roads. A dream car for anyone seeking a blend of rich history, exceptional performance, and unmatched reliability. The 991 is powered by a 3.4-liter flat-six engine that produces 350 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Despite its high-performance pedigree, the 991 is more than just a track car. It is surprisingly practical for daily driving, transitioning seamlessly from a weekend thrill machine to a weekday commuter. This car is built to handle whatever you throw at it. Handling is another key feature of the 991. Equipped with Porsche's dynamic chassis control and a 50-50 weight distribution, it offers precision on the road like no other. Whether navigating tight corners on mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the 991 feels stable and confident. It is versatile, incredibly reliable, and capable of tackling a variety of driving conditions effortlessly. Reliability is at the heart of the 991's appeal. Unlike many high-performance cars that require constant maintenance, the 991 is built to last. With significant improvements to both the engine and transmission, it has fewer issues than earlier 911 models. Regular maintenance ensures that this car will deliver dependable performance for years to come. Inside, the 991 reflects Porsche's commitment to luxury. The meticulously designed cockpit is equipped with modern technology, including touchscreen infotainment and sports seats that balance comfort and support. Every detail exudes elegance, enhancing the driving experience. Ownership costs may be higher than some cars, but considering the 991's status as a performance icon, they are surprisingly reasonable. Parts are built to last, reducing the frequency of repairs. With its reliability and ability to hold value, the 991 is a smart investment. The Acura TLX, introduced in 2015, is the kind of car that sneaks up on you. It's the luxury sedan that offers sporty thrills with a touch of elegance, all while keeping you grounded with its solid reliability. Acura is not a brand that shouts, but it sure knows how to impress when it speaks. Under the hood, the TLX comes with a choice of two engines, starting with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder that's perfect for those who want a balance between fuel economy and decent performance, producing 206 horsepower. But let's be honest, the 3.5-liter V6 in the higher trims, that's where the fun begins. With 290 horsepower, it's got enough grunt to make you grin, yet it doesn't let you forget you're in a luxury car. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. Plenty quick for a daily driver with some performance chops to boot. Now, when it comes to reliability, Acura has built a solid reputation, and the TLX follows that tradition. With its refined engineering, you're not looking at constant trips to the mechanic. Regular maintenance is key, but aside from that, it's a car that's built to last. Whether you're commuting or tackling winding back roads, the TLX stays composed. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in something that'll keep running smoothly for years. On the road, the TLX feels confident and balanced, with precise steering and an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to your driving style. Want comfort? It's there. Want to feel a little sporty? Switch it up, and the TLX steps up without breaking a sweat. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials and a tech-friendly setup that includes a dual touchscreen system for seamless control. And yes, it's loaded with safety features, because Acura doesn't just focus on performance. So if you're in the market for a car that mixes reliable performance with refined luxury, the Acura TLX deserves a spot on your radar. So there you have it, 5 luxury cars that prove you don't have to compromise on reliability for performance and comfort. Keep up with your car's maintenance, and these models will serve you well for years to come. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.